Hi, I'm Neha Sharma, HR professional with more than 14 years of work experience in managing HR functions of different organizations. This pandemic reminds me of a famous saying, which is adversity reveals genius, prosperity conceals it. This pandemic has actually forced us to think of alternates for almost everything we do in our lives. And when it comes to our employees, we have changed many processes in the entire employee life cycle. One thing that I would like to do differently is engaging my employee at their extended workplace. When I'm saying extended workplace, I'm talking about their home. Today, my employee is not sitting at the workplace with his peers or colleagues, but rather he's sitting at home with his families. So the employee engagement is all the more important for me today because I need to create good experience for not just my employee but also his family members. Because today he's sharing his breaks with his family, he's sharing maybe his workplace issues with his family. He is in fact sharing every moment that he's spending while working for my organization. So let's take an example. If I'm today hosting a reward and recognition program on a Zoom call and I'm announcing a winner, I'm not just creating a proud moment for the employee, but also for his family member, because all of us know that when we are working at home, we are sitting on our laptops, we have our family members around us. They see us, they watch us, how we are working for our organization, how much time we are spending for our work, what kind of experience my manager is giving, what kind of conversation I'm having in different meetings that I'm taking. Hence, today it is very important that we keep these things important. Let's take another example. A manager is having one-on-one conversation with one of his female team member who is a new mother, and he's extending flexibility to her. He is not just creating a good experience for her, but rather he's also telling her family that what kind of support we provide as an organization, or what kind of a culture we drive in our organization. And if I'm able to successfully engage my employee and his family in this new normal, I think I'll be in better position to brand my organization also as a best place to work, because it's not my employee but rather also his family who will be spreading word of mouth. His family will also go out and say good words about my organization, the culture that we drive in the organization. So I think today it is not just what we do to engage our employees, but rather how do we do it. That shift from what to how is very important. What kind of conversation my manager is doing is important, but at the same time, how he's doing that conversation is also equally important. Do I have my manager trained enough to manage or handle such kind of conversations where he's discussing performance with the employee, or could be about general work about the day. So this is what I think, this is my opinion, and this is how I would like to engage my employees in this new normal. What about you?